Hello friends, it's me Teddy. Today we will be drawing Pikachu wearing a hoodie. Let's get started. Begin by drawing a U shape. From the center of the U shape, create an S curve that extends into a C curve. Connect it to the S curve line. Now, draw 2 U shapes for the feet. Add 2 lines within each U shape to represent fingers. Extend a horizontal U shape on both sides for the arms. Add 4 curves to depict Pikachu's hands. On top of the head, draw a reverse V shape for one of its ears. Add a curved line inside to show texture. Extend a curve below, and draw another closed V shape for the other ear. Add a curve inside. Complete the head by adding a curved line. To draw the face, add a soft L-shaped curve and a diagonal line. Include 2 circles for the eyes, an upside-down triangle for the nose, and a W shape with a U curve below for the mouth. Additionally, add 2 circles for the cheeks. For Pikachu's tail, draw a zigzag line and join it at the end. Additionally, add diagonal rectangles to represent the pockets on Pikachu's hoodie. That's it, I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more. Happy drawing!